Hey, it's Bey. You might be thinking, what? An accessory for my Magic Keyboard, which is an accessory? Yup, sounds kinda silly, but hear me out. I originally found out about this product because my laptop has a super thin keyboard cover skin thingy, and I wondered if the Apple Magic Keyboard had the same thing. It did, so I decided to purchase it, and here it is. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested. There's not much to it, to be honest. It's just a thin layer of TPU that fits over the keyboard. Before you put the skin on, I highly recommend that you clean your keyboard. It protects your keyboard from things like dust, crumbs, and even spills. Now, it won't make your keyboard fully waterproof, but it does add a good amount of protection because it won't let stuff fall into the individual keys, since they're all covered. In addition to all of this, the skin makes your keyboard more quiet when you're typing. True, you won't really get those satisfying clicks anymore, but it does help in certain situations where you need to be really quiet if you like to type like there's no tomorrow. When the skin gets dirty, you can always just take it off and run it under some soap and water to clean it. It's super thin and the fit is pretty much perfect. Since it's so thin though, you do have to be careful when cleaning it so you won't stretch it out and ruin the fit. There are a couple of downsides to this thing, but they're both very minor. The first thing is that it'll take a little bit of time to get used to while typing on the keyboard again, because the keyboard cover will make it a little bit harder to type on. It only took a few minutes for me to get used to it again, so it's no big deal, but I thought I should just point it out. The second thing is that it falls off when you hold it upside down. It is just a thin layer of TPU without any kind of adhesive, but again, it's no big deal because you usually would have to close the whole thing first before you pick it up. You just have to be careful on how you open it. Some double-sided sticky strips are included though to solve this issue. To be honest, you would have to hold it past 180 degrees for it to fall off. It was an issue for me because I had the Switch Easy Cover Buddy case, but I took it off and we're good now. Basically what I'm saying is just open it like a regular person and you should be fine. Overall, I highly recommend this skin, keyboard cover, whatever. It's inexpensive and it will help protect your investment over time with only a couple of really small drawbacks. Again, the link is in the description. You know what's up. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.